Thinking about buying a home in Arizona? One of the most important steps you'll go through is the inspection period. Here's how it works. Once your offer is accepted, you usually get 10 days to complete the inspections. This is your chance to hire a home inspector who will check out the roof, plumbing, electrical, and all the other parts of the home that is necessary. Before the end of the inspection period, you can then ask the seller to make certain repairs. You can ask them to give you some credits, or you can even cancel the contract should something major come up, all by submitting a specific document to the seller before the end of the inspection period. This is truly your time to do all of your due diligence. Here's a pro tip. Hire a contractor to inspect all the different parts of the home, such as the electrical, plumbing, roof, etc. While this might cost you some more money, this will give you more detailed information about the home's condition so that you can make an intelligent decision on how you want to proceed. So if you're buying a home, don't skip the inspection period. It's your protection and peace of mind. If you have any other questions about this process, please reach out to me. I would love to help guide you. You can reach me at 480-628-9692. Call me, text me, DM me on any of my social media accounts. I'm here to help.